go. This ought to be interesting. Old one's broken right there. Hopefully this lifts out. Here we go. Moment of truth. It just slides out. You can't just buy the glass or the plastic.
Right.
So I'll be right back. Keep it rolling.
Getting ready to get one of them snack packs.
Some stickers in here. Pull off.
Mm-hmm. Now you need to get that drawer on. It's exciting. Look at that.
Everything at the same time.
I love it. It's a whole new refrigerator.
Is that it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hit the like and subscribe button if this helped you out. 120 bucks to get that piece. One of the most expensive pieces in there. Could not just buy the plastic or the glass separately. It's the whole piece.